It's a 2-lap race.
We're starting here, starting right now. 1, 2, 3. We breathe it in. We feel our hearts, they're pounding, rising up to feel the fire that's wild through our veins. We take a chance, no, we'll never be the same. Giving it all we got, giving it all. Giving it all we got. Climbing up to the top of the world. No fear, we're gonna make it. Everything we want is ours.
Here off the farm today at the local tractor races during the Songkran holiday. I'm sure you'll enjoy this. 2 lanes. Obviously got to take the inside lane, probably faster. Or they probably switch lanes, like go around and they have to cross over. Anyway, very cool. Lots of mud. And it's a little warm, that's for sure. See if I can get a better shot over here. Oh my God, this is like waist deep. No. Oh no, shit! You see that? More later. lap race. Well, how badass was that, huh? Another journey up the farm during the holiday festivals. Ouch. But hey, man, if I only had a tractor, I could have won that race. And it'll be interesting when I download this, because my drone, man, it was baking hot, and I don't know, I couldn't see the phone, and I couldn't tell if I had the right angle and all this other stuff. And then when I tried to look back on the phone, it jumped all around, like I don't know what's going on. But it was like major, you know, the major power lines, not just regular ones, but those big transmission lines on this side, and it was also on that side. So I was right in this vortex of the transmission lines, and I was thinking, what is that, messing my signals up? What's up? So, being that I just got back, I'll have to see what that looks like. It could be just that my phone was overheated, and it did capture the video pretty good. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that, and thanks for watching, and keep watching, and we'll get back at you with more, yeah, mud and stuff here on the Button Off.